HD here, and today I'm gonna be playing with my DIY fidget spinner. As you already know, I made this fidget spinner by myself. I failed at making it real, so I'm playing with my fidget spinner again. Why am I not using my orange one? Because I have no orange one. Because MutiTube won. Shout out to MutiTube. He won the giveaway. You can't do. Look. Nope. No. Come on. See? Only spins are in your hand. How I got these bearings was I had to take away wheels from a skateboard. Let me show you the wheels. I'll be back. Shush. I'm coming back. Okay, I only have 3. I can't find the 4th one. Here they are. They're really dirty. They're really dirty. They're really dirty. Okay. So, yeah, it's not really that realistic. I failed. I had to put this bearing a little more here, but still good. So you don't need to buy one. You can make your own. If you have a skateboard, you just have to screw the screws out and then take out the wheel, and then inside there's bearings. You have to take gloves on and then take them out because they're oily, and then you have to wash them. Get a hot glue gun, and then voila, you got. Then you have to put the middle part, but you have to take out the middle part, this side, and this side. So then it spins better, and then you have to put them in the shape of a fidget spinner. Then you have to glue them, hot glue gun them on this bearing in the middle, and then after, when it's dry, that in the middle on here, then you have to glue here. So yeah, if I'll maybe be posting tomorrow the whole day, I guess. Yeah, I think so. You think it's just like a normal one, but make sure you have exactly a round shape, because then it'll hit your hand if you see, it hits my hand. So I have to make it better. So it's still fine. You see, if you drop it, it doesn't make noise. No. This one is about to break. Come on, I just made this. But I can fix it. Peace. Woo!